Alright guys, that pretty much wraps up this project. I just wanted to do a time lapse for the last video of this because I had so much to do today and had a very short weather window. So I'm happy to say that I've gotten it done. There's a little bit of cleaning up to do, maybe some sanding. Probably won't be staining this thing for a few months just because it's so wet and it had to sit out in the rain for a while, and the idea of putting oil on top of that is not really a good idea. But everything came together really well. I'm really happy with it, and that usually means the customer is going to be really happy with it. So it's time to move on to the next one.